Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to combine two different crochet stitches into one stitch. We will learn two examples, a single crochet and a half double crochet into one, and a half double crochet and a double crochet into one. This technique is great for shaping and creating interesting textures. So the idea is similar to a decrease. You start one stitch, stop before the last step, then start the next stitch and finish them together. Now I'm gonna turn a single crochet and a half double crochet into one stitch. So insert your hook into the first stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook. Now yarn over for the half double crochet, insert into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. You now have 4 loops. Yarn over and pull through all the 4 loops on your hook. That's your single crochet and half double crochet combined into one stitch. In reverse, you can also start with a half double crochet first and then a single crochet. So we have a half double crochet and a single crochet together into one stitch. Next, let's turn the half double crochet and a double crochet into one stitch. Yarn over, insert into the first stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. So 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again for the double crochet. Insert into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. And finally, yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. That's your half double crochet and a double crochet combined into one stitch. Reversely, we can start the combination with double crochet followed by a half double crochet. You can mix any stitches together. I'm now making a combination of a double crochet and a treble crochet together, following the same rule. I hope this video helps you get creative with the decrease technique and explore new ways to use it in your crocheting journey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back for more free crochet tutorials. See ya!